everybody, good morning. We're getting going here in just about a minute, a little bit less than that. Markets are up across the board, mostly on, I would say, probably lack of bad news and continued optimism over trade, but really on nothing. One thing to keep in mind here as we open up in about 30 seconds, we've traded off a little bit in the last hour, just like 10 bips. But on the daily chart, one thing that we're going to want to watch is, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. That's not the one I wanted to hit, sorry. Watch for we've seen that the 50-day moving average in the SPY has been resistance here and here and here and here. We trade up here, especially going into a long weekend. There's our bell. Look for, some profit taking here. So what I'm thinking, hoping, whatever, we trade up here and then there's probably a pullback, and that's probably a place where we might get some opportunities today. I wouldn't get too excited about what is going to happen today with it being Friday and no major news out. We did have personal spending. I posted that up there.